What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Dad and Son.
Kick Talk.
And today we are kick talking about
a shoe that is just in time for the season, spooky season. We're talking about a reach back for the Nike SB Dunk Mummy. We're gonna get into this, Nigel, but before we get into the shoe, what should they do, man?
y'all need to ring that notification bell, or else you're gonna get haunted by a mummy.
So this is one of those shoes.
It's one of those shoes.
We had a lot of drops, things going on throughout the year, but sometimes you gotta pause, figure out maybe there's some things I copped that I could maybe get rid of or sell. Probably haven't worn, and then you say, well, maybe I'll reach back. Do a reach back, grab something that I missed the first go round. Which brings us right here to the Mummy Dunk. And I actually copped these for the youngster.
Yeah.
Size 12.
Yeah.
For Nigel.
Yeah. For
the Nike SB Dunk Mummy. A shoe that I really, really like for myself.
Me too.
You like it for yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I actually did a solid. Get the boy something fresh.
You did do me a solid. Thank you.
Found a good deal.
Yes.
After cashing in some things. And we got this one here.
Hot diggity dog.
It's not a new release, of course. You've seen it probably, but you haven't seen it here. And Nigel is... Are you happy with this one?
I'm very happy. Now,
yeah?
Can I hold it?
Sure, you can hold it.
Thank you.
Right, you hold your own shoe.
All right, y'all. We're making a little substitution here. All right, so...
Oh, boy.
I'm on top right now. So today we're talking about the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Prom Mummy. Pro Premium Mummy.
Premium.
Okay? Now, this is actually a very special shoe because, as you can tell, this is very different from the rest of the Nike Dunks that you'll see. Most of them have the same, you know what I'm saying, the same stitching, the same patterns, right? But just different colors switched up here and there, different colors, this and that. You know what I'm saying? But this is one of those special drops where they're doing everything unique, bro. There's not a single normal thing on this shoe.
This is true.
It's fact. Now let's just get right into it. All right, I'll let you get a shoe for the one time.
All right, thank you. I can check it out.
Yeah. Now, as you can see here, about 90% of the shoe is wrapped in mummy tape, whatever.
Bandages.
Bandages.
Yeah, it's a whole mummified shoe.
Coming off here, but it's kind of like it's kind of tough like that.
It's stitched in. That gives you that little piece.
Like you know how mummies always have like the
you gotta have that last
thing hanging out. Yeah,
that's where it ends, right? Where you wrapped it.
So it's literally mummy bandages. I don't know actually what this is. Do you know what this is? Like the material?
I mean, it's like a canvas, but it's it's worn, it's frayed. It's made, I think, to really look awesome. If you're a skateboarder, we're not skateboarders here. Nike SB skateboard, you wish. But as it wears out, one super cool thing about it, and I haven't seen anybody do it yet, but you can actually tear away some of this.
What?
And there's like a gray suede underneath, like another layer.
Oh, that's like mummies when they get all mummified and then they like turn gray.
Right.
You got the King Tut under here.
Right. If you look right in here, you can see a little bit of that right in the toe area. You kind of see like underneath there's a gray suede layer. It's hard to see, and the shoes are too nice. I wouldn't take like a knife to them and start peeling that off.
Never that.
If you wear them and they get beat, and then that kind of happens, then maybe.
Yeah, but for me, I'm keeping these looking like this.
You want a pristine?
Yeah.
All right.
Now, we've already mentioned one of the unique things about this shoe. And like I said, there's not a single regular thing here.
True.
So, that has already said, this is super cool, super special about under the bandages, right?
Yeah.
So there's another super special, awesome feature on this shoe.
What's that?
That I really don't think is in like any other SB. Am I correct in that?
I don't know which feature you're talking about.
Facts. See, he doesn't even know. That's how many features it got. But look, all right? How do I demonstrate? We're gonna have to take this somewhere. Look at that. You see this? You see this? People. We're watching you.
I love the eyeballs in the back, man.
We're watching you. I see you. I see you. Look at this, bro. Glow in the dark shoe. Imagine you got a function and they got the lights off and you wearing these and this thing has a spider on it too. That is so hard. So obviously that was awesome. Okay? If you're in the dark and you wearing these shoes, you're gonna look cool, okay?
You're gonna look cool. You can be glowing.
You're gonna be glowing for real. Glowing.
Just glowing.
Yeah.
So yeah, the shoe I think is just a dope shoe overall, right?
For sure.
Your classic dunk silhouette, but it's just SB, man. Nike SB, they go all in when there's a theme. They just like and this one, like you said, they did everything unique from the mummy stitching all over the shoe. You got the bug on top, it's like a spider.
Yeah,
like it's just a spider.
I don't think it's a spider. I think it's that one like really
scarab?
popular. The scarab, yeah.
Yeah. It might be. But I think this one might be a spider, but I think there is a scarab we're gonna show you in a minute. But like this, all of these white stitches are kind of like spider web.
Right,
Right, so think about like the mummy tomb and how they look. There's always spider webs everywhere, right? But then they got that. You got the Nike SB on the tongue, and on the back of the tongue, you know, they do this, of course, with Nike SB.
The Eye of Horus.
The Eye of Horus. You know what the Eye of Horus means?
Not at all.
It's about protection. So the wearer of this has Horus's eye on him, so you're protected, right? It's all like ancient Egypt, the mummy. Back to the theme. Then of course the mummy,
So they literally make you look tough and putting a spell on you so that you're straight,
keeping you safe. And they also got the mummy eyes, like the scary eyes watching your back. So when people walk up on you, it's like, you know what I mean? It glows in the dark too. It's just like crazy.
You know how like animals will have like fake eyes on them so that they scare like predators?
Oh, like when their body is
butterflies
painted.
will have like giant eyes in
and
their
it looks
wings.
like eyes.
That's how this is.
True.
Scaring everybody away. You feel me?
So we talk about the mummy, Halloween, spooky season. Let's check out the insoles. More detail.
Insoles.
Yeah, the insoles, which we don't typically go too deep into the insoles, but on the insoles here, we got some toilet paper and grass.
That's what that is. I was honestly so lost when I saw that.
Yeah, toilet paper and grass, right. And what does that mean?
It means toilet paper, you know, you wrapping yourself like a mummy.
It could be that way, or it could be what I've heard about. What happens around Halloween in the past has been called the Night of Mischief.
Oh, yeah.
And that's when kids go out with the teepee and start teepeeing people's houses and neighborhoods and all of that. So I think they did that. They're like, here, we'll give you this.
Wow.
It's the toilet paper thrown about in somebody's neighborhood, and then the neighbors, you know, they mad and they calling the cops and all that kind of stuff.
That's crazy. So they really got like all the references in this shoe.
Right.
That's awesome.
But that's not it.
That's not it.
Also, on the zoom unit in the heel of the shoe, you got the scarab or spider, is one or the other.
Let's see. I'll
The
tell you
bug.
right now. That's a scarab because it got 6 legs.
Yeah, you're right. That's a scarab. Close up. So you got that on the zoom unit. You got your memory foam. And on this one, what happens when you see a bug? What do you say?
I say that out loud every time I see a bug.
Me too, just like that. No, your sister does and your mom does for sure. But yeah, man. So it's a fire shoe.
This is insane.
So this is it for Nigel, man. For your pair,
the
reach back. I want to know what your rating is of this shoe.
10, bro. Like what?
10?
This is a like yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right, cool. I did a good job.
Yeah, you did. Now let me know.
Mine?
Come
10.
on. Yeah.
This is a 10. This is a 10. This is one that I really, when it came out, I was like, man, I really want a pair of these. And I just kept L raffles and everything.
But we made it.
And now prices is ridiculous, but you know, you make a way sometimes.
Is that what they do?
Sure.
We made it.
We made it.
Big
We made it.
numbers.
We made it. We made it.
Yeah.
Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking this video out.
All right, C Squad. I'm about to take these shoes and scare some people. Peace.
Peace.